Well, welcome back to the channel, guys, and here we are. I've had another question come in about a Android launcher, so I'm going to do my very best to try and answer again. We had a message in from Kozim about Agama car launcher, and he said, very nice video. May I ask you, can you have split screen? I thought, good question. So I thought, let's go and have a look and see what we can find out. So as normal, I'm going to boot up my trusty tablet. It's great when I can do these things. I've got a few new launcher videos going to come out very soon that are going to have to be done in the car. So I'll have to go out and do them. How can we have split screen? Well, I had a look through the app and there's nothing in the app that allows you to do it. So I thought, okay. Now, a while back, I do remember playing with split screen on Android, and I thought, I wonder if you can still do it. And you can. It's quite easy, actually. So I'm going to show you what you've got to do. So first of all, we're going to open some apps. So we're going to open Agama. So we've got Agama running. You can see Agama's there. Then I'm going to put that to the background. Then I'm going to open another app. I'm going to open up Spotify. So we got Spotify running, and I'm going to do exactly the same again. I'm going to put that to the background. Now, while I've got it, so you can see the apps that are running in the background, if you hold one of the apps, and I'm going to hold Agama, so a long press on the app, and you'll see it comes up with a drop here, so you can put it on the screen. So you just literally let it drop there. And then what happens is you get split screen. Really quite simple, isn't it? I couldn't believe this still worked and how simple it was. But a lot of you might say, oh, yeah, that's all very well, but I don't like it like that. I want it the other way around. So see those three little dots in the middle there? Just touch them and you can actually swap them around. And you're going to say to me, no, I want it the other way round. I want it up and down. So literally touch the three dots again, and there you are. So you can have Agama on the top and Spotify on the bottom, or you can swap it around as well. So just touch that one again. And there you are. You can swap it around, so you've got any way you want it. Split screen in Agama. Now, that's not only going to work just for Agama. That's going to work for any launcher that you're running. So if you wanted to have your launcher in a split screen mode, so you could have another app running on the other half of your screen, that's how easy it is to do it. So you could have Google Maps running in. You could have one side, you could have your standard launcher, and the other side you could have your Google Maps if that's what you want. I think it's brilliant. It's a brilliant question as well, because I certainly would have maybe go down this route to try and find it. And there you are. Let's have a look and see what else we can do in here on that menu system. So we've got a little star there, and that is add pair to the app's edge panel. So let's try that and see what happens. I'm gonna come out just normal. So we'll pull out the app's edge panel and we're gonna click on the two apps, and there you are. You can, from here on in, you can have it running like that. Now this is on my Samsung tablet, and I presume it's gonna work on most head units as well. So I can't see that being a problem. Let's have a look and tell you what firm operating system we're running here. So just bear with me while I go in and find that. Go into the settings. So I'm just going to go into the settings to tell you a little bit about what we're running here. So you can see the software information. We're running Android 13 here. So I think most launchers head units are running around Android 13, 14 at the moment. So you should be able to do that as well. I think that's brilliant. Thanks for the question. And like I always say, if any of you got any questions you want me to try and answer, I can't promise I'm always going to be able to answer the question, but I will do my best to help you. Make a little video so you can see how to do it as well. So if you want, just comment down below and I will definitely try and get a video done for your question if I possibly can. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. Anyway, see you next time, guys. Look after yourselves. See you later. Bye.